Hello from tajmotormedics. First of all, Happy New Year to whoever's watching this video. And I've got a Fiat 500 here on a 2014 plate. Just doing the rear brake light bulb on this side. As you can see, that there is working. So turn the position lamps off. Right, you see there, that's working. And then this one isn't. So you've got the position lamp across right here and this bit. So turn the position lamp on, let go of the brakes. Okay, as you can see, that all there is working. This here is working. So press the brakes. Good. Let go of the brakes. Press the brakes. Nothing's happening. Now to do this, it's quite a simple procedure. All you got to do is take that clip off right there on the inside. So unscrew that. They're meant to be a second. Oh, there is a second one. Okay, the bit's missing on there, as you can see right there. So you're meant to have two there. So one on the top, one on the bottom. Now, for any reason they are really tight, you can use an Allen key, maybe size 8, size 9. I'm not too sure what that is, but you can just turn it with your fingers, basically. So open it with your fingers. So you can see now, there, I'm opening. And then while you're doing it, as you're opening it, just push the light out. See there? So wiggle, 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 wiggle. That's it. So now that's out all the way. I really don't want to drop it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to gently pull the whole thing out. So what you could do is you can buy these online as well for the second one at the bottom. I'm going to advise the customer that he's screw bits missing for the light, rear tail light. All you then do is pull the whole thing out. So these are the little lugs right there. So that they're going there, across, and that's the rear bit. So you can unplug it by pulling it backwards from here, and then gently take the plug out. Whoever's connected this, they did not do a good job. As you can see, the rubber seal on the plug is not good as well. So out and then pull. Okay, and there's a lot of condensation as well. There's water going in there. That might be because the seal wasn't put on properly. So we got it out. All I now need to do is undo these two little screws here. So it is a Phillips screwdriver, so I'm going to get the screwdriver as well. Now the bulb for this one, I'm assuming is going to be a 380 bulb, which the position lamp and the brake light works together. I'm going to grab the bulb at the same time as well. Right, okay, I've undone the screws. I've got the bulb as well, which is a double filament bulb. Now all I do is wiggle, wiggle. So it's got a seal on the inside. I'm just going to pull the whole thing out. That's it. Once that comes out, all you then do is replace the bulb, which is the top one. Like I said, the double filament. Okay, so you push down on the bulb, twist it to your right or left, whichever way is anti-clockwise basically. Take the bulb out. You got the new one. Try making sure your hands are dry when you're touching the lens, and then you slot the bulb through. There's only one way the bulb would go in as well, so this is not good. So I'm going to turn the bulb around in the other direction. So where is it gone? Right, I've lost it. Nope, here we go. Okay, I've gone again to the same direction, so I'm going to go back here again, and that's it, done. So clockwise, you clip it back in. Now you got this rubber seal here. Just remember the rubber seal. Make sure the rubber seal is intact so you don't get no condensation at all, going inside. So you slot it back in. Once you slot it in, it goes in nicely. That's it. Push her in all the way. And then have a look at the terminals. If the terminals are rusty for any reason, give it a little clean, put some maintenance spray in there, and that should do the job. You then put the screws back in. I'm just going to put you on hold. Right, the screws are back in now. Just remember, when you're putting these screws on, work somewhere where if you even drop the screws, you don't lose them. So all I now do is plug her in, make sure it plugs in nicely. So you slot the plug in and then push it in with the seal. That's it. That's on, clipped in. So as you can see now, the seal's gone in nicely as well. So this guy's not going to have no more trouble with the water going in. And then I slot them through, slide it in through the holes. You've got the little holes inside, and then here as well. And then you push it in. Make sure it goes into the little grommet holes as well. So that's in there. The reason it looks out because the clear cover's missing on this side. And the cover's missing on this side as well. So I now locate the screw, screw it in, make sure I put it right, that's it. Right, that's in there now, and that's tight as well. So finger tight is good as long as it's tight enough so it won't come out. And that's in there. Can we just check the lights please again? Now that the job is completed, we're going to check, see if they're working. Go on then, press the brakes. As you can see, that there is working. This one there is working as well. Put the lights on, position lamp, let go of the brakes. Right, good, press the brakes again. As you can see, that there is working. That there is working as well. And this center bit across there is working. That's all it is on this particular model. Anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Also, there's a special thanks button as well. Don't forget to click on that. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.